Hi, good evening, Nikhil. Good evening, Nikhil. Good evening, Govinda, Vishnu, Chandra, Leela, Ramesh. Hello.
Good evening, Pavan.
Hi. Good evening. So, I'm Pavan. So, is it audible, right, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So, we'll have a quick brief of introduction from everyone, okay? So, now today, the demo class, okay? So, this weekend is completely demo class, this couple of days. And again, from the next weekend onwards, we are going to start with the live classes, okay? So, what is the subject we are talking here? So, what is the course name? Anyone? Any idea? Hello.
It's about the Git and Git repositories, GitHubs.
Yes, exactly, Govind. So, Nikhil, Govind, Chandra, Leela, Vishnu, right? So, we are talking about the Git and again GitHub and again GitHub actions, right? It's a completely CI/CD activities from the source code management tool, right? So, anyone, any confusion still now? So, we'll have a quick round of introduction so that like I can enter my stuff here. Basically, before starting this one, can I enter this one here? Okay, so I can open my notepad. So one by one. So first we can go with this is Chandra. Yes. So first one Chandra. So what is your
Yes.
experience?
It's 4 years.
4 years. In which domain?
Data science.
Data science. Great. So great. So now why for you like Git and again GitHub actions?
So I want to learn this CI/CD, continuous development, continuous integration, all those stuff, and I want to learn about more about Git and GitHub.
Okay, great. You should learn about more about Git and again GitHub,
Yeah,
right?
deployment,
Yeah,
CI/CD, all those stuff.
great. So that's really great. Then again, I think you are everyday user of this Git, right?
Yes.
Great. So fine. Thank you, Chandra. So Govind, again next Govind from your end.
Hello, Pavan. Hi, everyone. I'm going with 16 plus of years of experience. My core experience in infrastructure and management. I started with Windows and then it's later into VMware and then Citrix application virtualization. Currently, I'm a dual role of technical specialist and a demand technical delivery manager. The
Okay.
basically application migration and migration into from legacy to Azure. Now we
Okay.
have Azure and Azure DevOps as well. For me to enter into Azure DevOps, I need to give a demo internally, and then based on the uh, my requirement, I might get an opportunity to work on Azure DevOps. Thank you. That is the reason I was looking for
Okay.
learn
That's
more
what you are
knowledge
looking.
about Git and GitHub.
You are looking for GitHub, right?
Yes,
CI/CD from the entire GitHub actions, right? All
yes.
right. So completely GitHub also. Fine. Got it. So thank you, Govinda. So and again third one, Leela. I think Leela. So because like we should have a interaction sections here in my classes. Leela, Nikhil.
Okay, so Nikhil here this side. So I have a total 10 plus years of experience. So I am from .NET technology. Okay,
Okay.
I
Okay.
worked on the mostly on the MS technologies kind of thing. Currently, my project like shifted from TFS to Git repositories, and so that's the
From
reason I
from
just
where? From where? Sorry, from where?
from TFS repository.
Okay, from
Earlier we
TFS. Okay.
yeah TFS to Git, and now they also have adopted the Azure DevOps kind of thing in a, like they have come up with the all those particular stuff. The migration has happened, so I wanted to learn all those CI/CD pipelines. Right.
Okay. GitHub actions and again GitHub completely, right? Fine.
Yes,
Perfect.
yes. Yeah.
So thank you, Nikhil. Thank you for this. Okay. So next, Ramesh. Ramesh. Ramesh, are you there? Leela. Yes, Ramesh.
Hi, hello. I am a fresher. I don't know about what Git and GitHub grab action, so I just wanted to learn and get familiar with these things before going into the industry. Thank you.
Okay. So are you finally a student?
Yes.
Okay, great. Fine. Thank you.
Pavan, just a correction. It is 16 plus years for Govind.
Govind 16. Oh,
Yeah,
that's great.
thank
Oh,
you.
sorry. Yeah,
16.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, so Ramesh is fine. Then again, Leela. I think we spoke with Leela, right? Leela or Ramesh? Okay, fine. Then again, Leela is pending. Vishnu?
Yeah, hi all. So this is Vishnu. So I am having a 6+ of years of experience in big data space. Currently working as a senior data engineer, one of retail project. So currently we are migrating the data from the data bricks as well as the from the data bricks to data proc, which is we are using the GCP, and for pipeline orchestration we are using the Vertex AI. So we need to use GitHub and Git action also. So that's why I'm looking for this course.
Fine, fine. Then again, Vishnu, that's a great thing. So that's why, like, end to end, you need to know this CI/CD from the GitHub Actions, right? Great.
Yes. Yeah.
Right. So, and again, except Leela is pending there, and again, myself, Pavan, and again, DURGASOFT is one more candidate. Okay, fine. Quickly about my introduction. So, I'm Pavan. So, I'm having like overall 13 years of experience in this IT domain industry. Currently, I'm working as a principal cybersecurity manager, right? So, as one of the MNC company, and again, I used to train like multiple technologies. So, and again, this is also like from past 9 years, I used to keep on training with different technologies here. Fine. So now currently I'm working as a principal cybersecurity manager as with the identity access management GRC and again completely cloud security. This is what my end-to-end here. Okay. So is it audible, right, everyone? Any confusion still now? Hello.
Yeah,
No,
clear.
Yeah,
Clear.
Great, great. Then that's okay. That's one thing. So I'm checking like one of the link. Just give me like a couple of minutes. I'm checking one of the link. I want to make one certifications here. I want to show that certifications. All right. So please see this here. Is it audible, everyone? Hello.
Yeah, yes, Pavan.
That's it. For every developers, right? Every data scientist, every data engineer, and again every data analyst also, and again all the software development employees. So they need to learn this source code management tool that is called as a GitHub, right? So GitHub Actions, GitHub Advanced Security, GitHub Foundations, GitHub Administration, and again GitHub Copilot. These are the 5 certifications we do have in the market, right? So now we are starting with GitHub Foundations and again GitHub Actions, the end-to-end syllabus, what I'm going to cover here, okay? So any confusions here in this part? Right? So this is a one thing. So I will also pass this link to everyone and again how to clear this exam and again how to make it out like first time to clear. So I'm also giving the completely industry level practical how we use source code management tools in the real time scenario. And again, you guys can practice this questions and again answers for the exam purpose. Okay. Now we are starting with the GitHub foundations. Then again later what we can go with like GitHub advanced security, then again GitHub administration and again GitHub copilot. And again now today we called as a GitHub copilot is a Microsoft copilot. And again, this is a GitHub Actions, right? This is what CI/CD. Clear? These are the certifications we do have in the market. Any idea? Are we here okay up to here? So please respond. So Govind
Yeah,
Chandra.
yeah. Pavan, post is this training, yes. Which one are we qualify and we can attempt?
See, I can give all the syllabus here. What I'm going to do, the real-time practical scenarios, all the certification syllabus, and again end to end.
Okay,
Then again, you guys can choose whichever the certificate is required in your company. I think better GitHub Action certification and again GitHub Advanced Security. Those are the two certifications which is value in the market,
okay,
right? So who are like going for only the source code management administration, then again they can go for this one. Yeah, right.
fine.
So now, first thing I want to understand before starting this, why Git? I think everyone are having a great experience except Ramesh, I think, right? So now, what is this Git? What is this GitHub? Right? What is this Git and again GitHub? Is the same name we call high level name is a VCS, also called as a source code management tool, also called as a tracking tool, right? Also called as a tracking tool, and again also called as a distributed version control system, right? Also called as a repositories. So this is the naming conventions we used to call as a before calling as a Git, right? So like this, how many tools we do have system version control system, right? And the second thing is SCM. SCM is nothing but source code management system. Source code management system. Is it clear, right? Source code management tool and again tracking tool. And again DVCS is nothing but distributed version control system. And again finally we call it as a repos, right? Under this, any naming conventions we call. Now here it comes either VCS, anything we can call it as, okay? Version control systems, we have multiple tools. Git is a command line tool. Git is a command line tool. And again, GitHub is a remote repository tool. I mean, we call it as a remote tool. Like this, how many tools we have in the market for competition for Git? Generally, we can call it as a Git. Both are same naming conventions only, okay? Generally, we have Bitbucket and again, Perforce, Azure Repos, right? And again, AWS Code Commit, right? And again, SVN. Many more competitions, many more competition tools in the market. Clear case. Are we clear up to here? Anyone, any confusions? Leela, Nikhil, Ramesh, Vishnu, Govindu,
Clear.
right? So what is a Git in interview or else in the real-time scenario? Generally, many of them will say that what is a Git? Git is also called as a version control system. But apart from this version control system, apart from this source code management, what we call? We call it as a tracking tool. So this is a very important stuff, tracking tool. Clear, right? One simple question, anyone can answer this one. Why we required this source code management tool? Any idea? Why we require this tool? What is the use of this tool? Anyone? What is the use of this tool? What is the use of tool? What is the use of this Git tool? Yes, Ramesh. Yes, Leela, Govindu,
I'm just a
everyone.
beginner on this course. I do not have much information.
Uh,
Okay, fine, Govindu.
so
Yes,
maybe to
please.
keep a track of the particular piece of versions, like suppose I'm writing a piece of code. I today I write one two lines, and tomorrow I want to change a piece of code. So who made that particular changes? Tracking purpose, like kind of thing.
That's fine, Ramesh. That's really fine, right? So what we generally, why we need to use all these software domain industry, all these software developers, everyone should need to use this source code management tool for what purpose? To store our source code. Example, any Python program, Java program, right? Any shell scripting, any Python scripting. Even though we can also store our documentation like no PDF, Excel sheet, many more things we can store it, right? So for that, so we require this Git. Is it clear, right? Any confusions? To store our source code. Suppose take an example right now. See, before this source code management tool, before this source code management tool, before this source code management tool, we will be writing this one of the content in this file, and again we will save, and again we will be keep it out in our desktop, right? Tomorrow, someone will access my system, and again he will open this file, and again he will delete all the content, and again he will save it out, right? And again day after tomorrow, I will come and again I will open this file. There is no content in the file. Can we able to track who is going to do this one? No one, right? No one can track this one. Who did this changes? Yes, right? So in this case, what we can do? So that's why everything we can track in source code management tool. So whatever you do changes, you should push to the source code management tool. You should store there. So, and again, tomorrow, if anyone comes and again, if you need to change the file, he should pull the code, he should delete the code, and again, he should push it out. For everything, each and everything, there is a tracking system, right? So, while pushing the code, or else while committing the code, there is a commit ID, it will be generated. That 40-bit commit ID, with the help of that commit ID only, we can able to track that. Who did changes? Who is that person? And again, when he did, so how many lines he deleted? Everything we can able to track that. So that's why we call it as Git is also called as a tracking tool, is also called as a version control system, is also called as a source code management tool, right? So this is a very important thing. In company, they will not ask that directly have you worked in a Git or else GitHub actions. They will not ask that. In company, they will not ask. Is it clear, right? In company, they will not ask directly whether you are working with a Git or GitHub. They will ask which version control system you guys are using in your project. Which version control system are using in your company. So you should say that we are using the tool called as a Git. Is it clear, right, everyone?
Yes.
So they will not ask directly in your project. You guys are using Git or GitHub or else any Bitbucket, either Azure Repo. They will not ask like that. Which version control system you guys are using, or else which repositories you guys are using, or else which source code management tool you guys are using, or else which tracking tool you guys are using, or else which distributed version control system you guys are using. This is what you need to say that answer. Clear, right, everyone? This is high level naming conventions. Now, CI/CD, we used to do CI/CD, everything nowadays. See, basically GitHub actions. If it is a Bitbucket, the same CI/CD in traditionally we used to call as a Jenkins or Octopus, Jenkins or Octopus or TeamCity, right? Or else Bamboo, right? Or else many more tools. There is a we do have multiple tools for this CI/CD. But nowadays, all the trend, they don't want to use even the GitLab. GitLab is different. GitHub is different. GitLab is different, right? It is also the parent from the GitHub action. Now, any confusions, any idea? So that's why CI/CD we used to call as a GitHub actions. I'm giving the high level introduction for each and everything. Are we clear? I will tell you why we call it as a distributed version control system. That later part I will tell that, okay? Is it clear? Now, in this today's class of agenda, I will show how to download, and also we can understand GitHub lifecycle. I mean, what is a Git lifecycle? How to create a repository, how to push the code, how to pull the code. So those things we can do that. And again, also in the GitHub actions, I will show so how to write a CI/CD pipeline, right? All these things we can able to see that. Any confusions till now? Firdos Ansari is joined later today. Vijay. Are we clear, right? Chandan, Govind, Leela, Ramesh, Vishnu,
Yes.
everyone?
Still clear.
Clear? See, in this today's market, this source code management tool is one tool is enough to get very great jobs and again good jobs. And again, it is a riskless job, right? So for that, after learning this, my courses of all the 5 courses syllabus, you can take it out this any certifications. And again, meanwhile, you can practice this just here only. Clear, right? Is it clear? Everyone? GitHub Actions,
Yes.
GitHub Advanced Security, GitHub Foundations, GitHub Administration, everything. This is what like one of the main thing we need to for this one. Is it clear, everyone?
Clear. In this examination, is there any sequence that you have to start with foundation, then you go to the next level, admin? Pavan.
Sorry, what is it? I lost your voice. Can you?
Yeah, before taking the examination, is there any sequence? You start with the foundation, then you have to give admin, or you
See,
can take
better
it.
you can, yeah, you can go with like no admin also. Either you can go with foundations, right?
Okay, there's no sequence,
Either
right?
if
You
you are good at
directly
with the
go.
foundation like administration, yeah, yeah. I
Okay,
feel everyone can go directly with the CI/CD also GitHub Actions, or else like who are completely freshers, they can go with the foundation, and again after that GitHub Actions, then again advanced security.
fine. Thank you.
Okay, this one tool is more enough to get more than 15 lakhs package. How you should handle the GitHub administration, GitHub organizations, GitHub projects, GitHub submodels, GitHub repositories, branching rules protections, everything you guys need to handle this one. Okay, right? Yeah. Any confusions till now? All right. So I think who are like recently joined, let me have a quick round of this introduction. Firdos and Vijay. I think Firdos and again Vijay. They joined recently now, right? Hi, Firdos. Hello. Hi, Firdos. Vijay. Hello. All right. So I think please respond this one, okay? See, I need very great interaction classes. So I don't want like blindly attending the classes without getting the proper communications and getting proper knowledge. I don't want that one. I need like each and everything like proper explanations. Clear? All right. So now this is what eye level I have given certifications and again the overall what we call Git, right? So directly, okay. I think one more joining.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes, sir. Due to my technical issues, I was trying to join on a time, but I was not able to do so. So this, yeah,
Yes.
I'll join now.
Fine, Vijay. Fine, Vijay. No worries. No worries. Yes,
Thank you.
Vijay.
Thank you.
All right. So now let me have a quick. All right. So this is workshop index today. What we will learn: Git fundamentals, branching, and again merging. No need to learn all these things today and again tomorrow. We are learning this one. GitHub integrations, everything. Okay. Then again GitHub actions, more things. So who should attend this one? Who are the eligible criteria? Right. Perfect for computer science students, all years. IT students, software engineering students, web developers, and again data science students, self-taught programmers, career switchers, anyone who writes a code. Prerequisites, basic computer skills, any programming knowledge, laptop computer requires basic things, internet connections, right? And again text editor, VS Code, and again willingness to learn. Experience level, complete beginners, some experience, advanced users. Clear? Now, why this matters for your career? Industry standard. Git and GitHub are used by 95% of the tech companies world. They will pay high salary for this one tool. If you are good at with GitHub actions and again certifications. And again, job requirement, collaborations, portfolio building. Yeah. Now, learning outcomes, what you will achieve. By the end of this workshop, you will be able to understand like in technical skills, initializing and again managing Git repositories, track changes and again make commits, create and again merge branches, resolve merge conflicts, push code to GitHub, everything. Okay. Then again professional skills like follow industry standard workflows, collaborate with the team members, write meaningful commit messages, many more things. And again career benefits, meet job requirements for dev roles, showcase projects to employers, contribute to team projects. Clear, right?
Yes, Pavan.
Many certification of completions that you can do there, like this couple of days demo, and that's it. But not that global certifications. This certificate demonstrates completely Git, GitHub, and again GitHub Actions. This is what end of our complete 8 weekends of a class. Sorry, 5 weekends of a class. Is it clear, right? I'll show the syllabus, what and all will be taught. Okay. I think you guys are already got this link, right? Before we start prerequisites, we should install the Git, download from Git local Git, and again create a GitHub accounts, configure Git, and again install code editors. So this is what we should do this one. Okay. Are we clear up to here?
Yes.
Right. So, okay. Meanwhile, I'll ping these repositories for everyone. So meanwhile, you can take these links also. This is a syllabus copy. This is a syllabus copy. Right. So, and again, this certification link also I'm passing for everyone. So 3 things I have passed it. Please have a look on this. Okay.
Sure.
Now, first thing, how to download Git. So I will explain what is DBCS, what is CBCS, and again what is the Git lifecycle. Everything we'll understand. Okay.
Pavan, are you speaking? We are unable to hear you.
Not able to hear it. I'm not getting any voice.
I'm sorry, I lost my Sorry, I lost my battery. Is it clear, right, everyone? Is it audible now?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
All right. All right. So, 1 second. Can anyone share the screen for a couple of minutes so that like I will show that like how to download and install this Git, and again how to create a GitHub account also. I think everyone is having a GitHub account. Hello.
No, Pavan.
Okay. So anyone, is it fine to share the screen? Hello. I kept charger for battery, so it will take like a couple of minutes. Anyone who is not having a GitHub account and again who is not having a GitHub installations, also that like how to download and again install this one. Is it fine, Govind, Firdos, Chandra, Nikhil, Ramesh, Vijay? Hello.
Sir,
Give me a second. I'm
Yeah, please share the screen so that I'll show that. Yeah.
give me
I
a
have it
second.
already installed on my.
Anyone is ready to that? I'm give me a second. I'll share, or if not, anyone else.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Pavan already have a Git bash installed on my laptop, or maybe others, someone who can share your screen.
Hello. So is it, are we are there?
Pavan, I already have Git on my laptop, so requesting other who has not have
Chandra,
it, please share.
Firdos, fine, Govind. Chandra, Firdos, Leela, Nikhil, Ramesh, Vijay, Vishnu.
same sir. I have the Git account, but I today logged in via mobile, sir.
Okay, 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 okay. Anyone, Ramesh? Okay, so I think Firdos, Leela, are you having? Okay, if it's not, give me a couple of minutes, I'll show. Okay, Chandra is also.
Hello, I'm audible, right? Hello, I'm not able to share from here. Hello, hello.
Yes, Vijay, you're audible.
I'm not able to share from my side, so that's why I'm like hello. I'm not able to share my.
Hello. I'm not able to share my video, my PC. Hello.
Is there someone who
One
can share
second.
your laptop or who does not have
Oh, I
the
think they're not enabled the permissions. I call to the team. Wait, just a moment.
Hello. I'm not able to share.
Yeah, fine, Vijay, fine, Vijay. I understand that. I understand because the reason is it audible, right? Everyone.
Yes, audible.
So I'm requesting to the team, even though I'm also not having a permission to share.
Mm-hmm. So there I got a link. I read, but we'll see.
Think for me also there is no option. I'm calling to the team once again.
హలో యా గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ మేడం. మేడం ఇది స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయడానికి పర్మిషన్ ఇవ్వండి అందరికి. అది నాకు లేదనమాట.
అవును సార్
ఓకే మ్యామ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. విజయ్, కెన్ యూ ట్రై నౌ? Vijay, can you try?
Yeah, I'm requesting for sharing the screen.
Yeah.
Okay, I got. Just a second. I'll share the screen. Yeah,
Okay.
here yeah, I'm shared my screen. Yeah.
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah.
So you don't have any GitHub installation in this case, right? In your system?
No, nothing.
Okay, right. So do one thing. Download Git. Download Git.
Yeah.
Install
So
for Windows.
guide me if.
Yeah. Install for Windows, and again whatever you're doing, like Git for Windows 64 setup.
Yeah, that is what. I do not. Yeah, I'm downloading.
Yes. So is it downloading? Yeah, it is downloading there.
Yeah.
After downloading, we'll go by like step by step. Okay. In this demo class, we can
Yes.
download Git, and again the next thing we can set up the GitHub account. Okay.
Yeah.
So in our class, so everyone, okay, who are going to attending these classes, right? In our live classes, we are going to do end-to-end CI setup, like more advanced, industrial advanced with the CI/CD. How to call from one workflow to other workflow, and again how to call from one organization of one repo to other organization of other repo, and again how to write any kind of code, Python code to trigger AWS resources. Everything we can see in the real time. Clear? Everyone?
So sorry for disturbing. I started a few steps.
Yeah.
Started.
Next.
Good. Yeah. Sorry. So
Yes, you can add like additional icons in the desktop also. Click next.
just to say that I am moving forward. That's why.
No worries. Click.
Yeah.
Click next. By default, Vim editor is required.
Mm-hmm.
Click next here. So what we are downloading? Git. No. Click next. Click next. So this Git tool is developed by Linux operating system inventor. That is a Linus Torvald. Clear? Click next.
Yeah. Yeah.
Great. So now it is installing. So what we are doing, we are installing only Git. Git is a command line tool. It is a client tool where we can run the commands based. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Launch
Launch.
Git Bash. Yep. See, everyone see Govindu, Vijay, Nikhil, Vishnu Gupta, Leela, Ramesh. So everyone, right? So Sundar, Kiran, everyone. Okay. Chandra, Kiran. Okay. See
Yes.
now, Git is a command line tool. This is what we downloaded on that mission. Git is a command line tool. Okay. Clear? This is what command line tool. So now we can close this one. No worries. We can close this one.
Yeah.
Right. Later we can I will tell you that terminologies, everything. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
before starting, we had a great 30 minutes of session now. One thing I need to get answer from everyone. What is Git tool? I mean, what is version control system? Anyone? Why we need to use the Git? One simple answer I need from anyone. What is Git tool? Why we need to use?
In simple terms, it's like if we have software versions like functionality improvements. So any development, feature adding, and bug fixing to what I meant to channelize this in a particular organized way, we are using this Git branching.
Okay,
Uh,
perfect. Who is this?
It
Answer Vijay.
says, Govind here. It is a source code management tool. It is also managed to use the versioning of the source code created or developed by the developers.
Okay, great. Both of the answers are correct. But you can also add one of the very important point. Git is a tracking tool. That's it. Very simple way. It is also called as a version control system. It is also called as a source code management tool, right? And also finally, the main answer is tracking tool. What is this tracking in the sense? Whatever we do changes in the Git, right? When we commit or when we push to the report repositories, everything we can track with the help of commit ID. That's what very important thing. Clear? Fine. So now I need to move to the second step. So please go to the GitHub. So search GitHub. Close this. Open the Chrome. Go to the GitHub account. I think everyone is having a GitHub account, right? So this tool looks very easy, but this is very dangerous. And again, this is a very experienced tool we require in the real time scenario, right? So yeah, GitHub. You can type the GitHub. Git is a command line tool. GitHub. Yeah. So here you need to sign up. So you need to sign up with your email ID, passwords, with your stuff. Vijay, can you please spell it out like ADO? What is the full form?
Sorry?
ADO?
I don't know
Okay,
what's.
Azure DevOps, right? Yes. Azure DevOps, Bitbucket pipelines also. Parallelly, we can do all this source code management tools. Even though in AWS, code commit also, I'll show that.
Mm-hmm.
But we should have a cloud accounts, okay?
Mm-hmm.
After this, I'll show the complete end-to-end syllabus. Then again, I think I have shared the link also. This couple of months, everyone need to get one of the GitHub Foundation certifications.
So yeah, I'm going for paid account.
Created, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Please go to your email ID and again, please enter the code.
Yeah. Just a second. Yeah, got there is no code. Okay. Yeah, it's done.
Great. Then you can continue, sign in.
Yeah, it's here.
Perfect. So this is a dashboard, okay? This
Yeah.
is a dashboard, everyone. Extreme right, there is an icon, symbol, right? Click on that. So this is it is Akul Vijay Kumar is a username for this GitHub, okay? And
Yeah.
again, this is a account level settings will be there. So we need to understand what is profile, what is the repositories, what is stars, what is guests, And again, what is organization, what is enterprises, what is sponsors, what is settings, what is copilot settings, everything we need to understand. I don't want to leave any single word in enter this GitHub dashboard, right?
Yeah.
Everyone, right? So we are focusing as a, if you focus this one tool perfectly in IT domain, no need to worry of your jobs. And again, it is a great respectful jobs in the CI/CD, especially for this source code management tools, right? Right. So now we'll understand what is organization, right? So if you click on this organization there, click on the organization. So right now we don't have any organizations. Suppose in real time scenario, many companies, not many companies, all the IT companies, they will create minimum 10 to 50 organizations. What is this organizations? If they create, see, suppose take an example, Infosys, right? In a Infosys company, they do have a multiple business units. For each business units, they will be creating one organizations. In each business unit, they do have multiple teams, right? So for that purpose, we'll be doing like this. So create one new organization here. I'll show that. What GitHub administrations will be doing, all the GitHub administrations. So, but it is a free version, sir. But in the real time scenario, we'll be taking the enterprises wise. Yeah, free. You can choose free. Create a free organization. There only click on that. Yeah. So create an organization name, like no, Vijay learning. We can do it like this. Perfect. Contact email is the same thing only. Email ID you can miss out. Yeah. Organization is a very important point. Okay. I think everyone knows Jira board, right? Jira Confluence. Same thing in GitHub. We do have a GitHub projects.
Yes. Completed setup.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
That's really great then. Okay.
Hmm.
Fine. Now go to the extreme right there. Extreme right. See, okay. Before going to there, it is asking that like invite your first member, customize membership permissions, everything
Yeah.
will show. But right now I don't want to do anything. Go to the top on the right side there only in your username area. Again click on the organization. See, like this in real time scenario, there will be like more than 10 to 50 organizations. Each organizations they will be having multiple repositories. In each organizations, they will be having like in real time scenario more than 10,000, 20,000, 5,000 repositories will be there. Okay. Now in this case, click on that settings. No, there only. See, organization settings. So the settings level. Here we can give the public level, either private level, either the user level. Everything I will show in the real time classes. Now let it be park here. Okay. Go back. This is very important before starting any tutorials of the Git. Go back. Perfect. So now in this case, create one more organization. Again free. Again you can give like one more. Vijay Advance. Vijay FN Advance.
We can go for business also. Yeah. It's
But business is like we don't want like anything. But we can
yeah.
later on we can go. Yeah.
Maybe it's related to the pricing account.
Yeah. Vijay, who is asking this question? Will be how the pipeline will be created, etc.
No, I'm not.
I think with your name twice they joined. Vijay.
No. I
Yes,
only
there's
one.
Vijay Kumar and Vijay as well.
Oh,
This is
Vijay is
VJ.
different. Vijay Kumar is different.
Vijay
Oh,
and yeah, Vijay Kumar.
okay. Vijay. Great. Okay. Yes. Everything I'll be showing there. No worries. Yeah. So this is not at all a beginner class. This is a more advanced, but Meanwhile, that's why we are spending minimum 5 to 6 weekends. That's what I require everyone to practice anything.
Okay, it's done. I need to this one. So, yeah.
Is it done?
Yeah, it's done.
That's really great then. Okay.
Yeah.
Setup organizations. That's
setup.
okay. Complete setup, or else skip the setup.
Okay, it's got true.
Later on, we can do this. Okay. Now, go back to the repositories there. Go back to the repositories. See, right now you are in Vijay Advanced Repository. Okay. I mean, Vijay
Yes.
Advanced Organizations.
Yes.
Right now, you are having two organizations. In a
Yes.
real-time scenario, you should understand. See, suppose when you got a offer from any new company, right? They will tell that in this repository there is a code. You should ask in which organization, and again under which organization, which repository. Clear? Fine.
Yeah.
So anyway, going forward in the live practical classes, how this organization will be setting up, and again how this exactly we can do this. Okay. This couple of days we are planning for only for demo. So that trailer part that we can do that. Okay. Fine. So we'll do one simple area now. We'll create a one repository, and again we'll push a code from local repository to remote repository. Okay. Yeah. Click on this. Create a one repository. There is a plus icon. Plus icon. On the top, extreme right. Okay, before starting, just a minute. See, there is a Vijay has been clicked. There is a symbol username. Here, use GitHub account level settings is different. Repository settings are different. Okay, create a new repository. Yeah, you can create any new repository here. So why we use repositories? To store our source code. How can we track everything with the help of commit ID? The description you can give. It's a just sample repo. Now, so once again, just choose visibility, public or private. And again now, okay, fine. That's okay. I don't want to do any add, git ignore, any license. I don't want to do anything. Just create a repository.
Created.
Oh, fine. Hold on. Yeah. So now in this case, scroll down. So this is what we created a repository here now. Now let it be like this. Go back to your command line. There is a git bash, right? You have installed already git. GitHub is a remote repository tool. Git is a client tool, command line tool. Okay. What is the difference between Git and again GitHub? Git is a command line tool. GitHub is a remote repository tool. Now, please go to your Windows laptop, search. Okay, this is what git bash. Okay. Okay. Now you have to create one repository. I mean, first you can see this completely git bash is Linux commands, right? You should know bit of Linux commands, the basic minimum 10 to 12 commands. That's it. Okay. Can you search the command pwd? Can you type the command pwd? No. They're not search in the git bash only. Git bash only. Type the command pwd. Pwd is enter. Pwd is a command. It will show exactly pwd is a command. It will shows where is your current folder path. Now you do one thing, mkdir. No, before doing mkdir, cd space down desktop you can go. Cd space desktop. Enter. I think you don't have a desktop. You can run the command ls. Okay, so I think you are having scroll up. So I think desktop is not there. You can go to the documentation folders. Okay, cd documents. You can go to the cd documents. Enter. Yeah. Now do one thing. Create a one folder. mkdir test repo. Enter. cd test repo. So now it is a very important thing. We need to make it out this GitHub repository. So for that, first you do one thing. Clear the screen. Clear the screen. Exactly. So now what you can do, git space init. 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 Git init is a command. It will be initializing the git repository. Enter. See now, ls. You can run the command ls. We can use more than 40 to 60 commands every day. So now ls space -a. Enter. So whenever we run the command, git init is a git initializations. It is known as a git repository. Wherever the .git folder is there, that is called as a git repository. Okay. Now in this case, cd space .git. Please go through there. Now you do ls space -ltr. hyphen LTR, combine LTR. Okay,
Okay.
ls space hyphen combine LTR, enter. See, it is telling that whenever we run the command git init, it will be initializing the repository. In this repository, it will be telling that description file, ooks folder, information folder, configuration file, reference folder, and again head file, objects folder. Everything will understand after this first day of our class. In the tomorrow's, we can understand each of everything. Okay, just understand that how to create a repository in the command line. The command is git init is a command. Init is nothing but full form initializations. Whenever we run the command, .git folder will be created. Inside this .git folder, these are the subfolders and again subfiles will be created. Okay, all this we can come to understand whenever we create a folder inside here, and again we can push to the GitHub. Then again we can able to understand how it is interaction. Okay, now let it come back. CD space dot dot. Yeah. Now in this case, oh no, once again, no, that is one. Okay, that's fine. Now how to create a file here? There is a Linux command to create a file. Touch space. What you can give? What is
File
this?
name.
Yeah, touch space vijay.py. Py.
Why?
Py. Enter. So now, first command what we learn. So still I haven't gone through what are the Git life cycle, what is Git 3 stages. I haven't gone through that. Okay, just I'm giving the practical session here. In that, after this, we can understand what is the Git life cycle and again what are the Git 3 stages. Okay, all these things we'll understand later part. Now please go to there. Now git space status. You can run the command git space status. Okay, see, now there is a red file, right? So first we can understand blindly, then again we can go to the in-depth of understanding real-time scenario. Okay, now wherever the red file is available, see, touch is a command, we created a file. Still now the file is working area, right? Next, do one thing, git space add space dot.
Sorry.
Git space add space dot.
Dot.
Yeah, enter. Then again git status. Okay, now see, from red color to green color, how it came. This is the staging area of a git. I don't want to explain now only. So I want you guys to get confused. So that's why after that, we'll go back to understand in depth. Okay. First, I'll show this. You guys need to ask. You guys need to ask why it is a red color, why it is a green color, right? Then you can do one thing. Git commit. Git commit space hyphen m. Git commit space hyphen m. Space in the double quote. In the double quote.
Yes.
In the message, hyphen m is nothing but message. You can do the message. This is the first commit. This is the first commit. Enter. So it will tell that error. Okay. So what we should do in this case? First, we need to set the username and again password. So please write the command. Git config hyphen global user.email, your email ID, whatever you are given the email ID to create a repository.
Mm-hmm.
Right? GitHub. So these are the two commands. After installation of Git command line tool, you should give the email ID address.
Yeah. Enter.
Perfect. Okay. Now you should give the username. Whatever the username is available in the GitHub repository, right? That username.
Yeah. Okay.
Git config space hyphen global user dot name. That username in the GitHub repository, what we have. Yeah. Hmm.
Yes, done. Hello. Sir, I made change. Hello.
Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Do one thing. Now you
Hmm.
do up arrow, up arrow, up arrow 3 times.
Hmm.
Perfect. Enter. So now it is committed. Okay. Now what we should do? Now what we should do? I will tell the scenario. Please go to the GitHub now. Please go to the GitHub. See, scroll down, scroll down. See, copy that git remote had origin. Copy that.
Mhm.
So we are going to push our local files to remote repository. Okay.
Hmm.
I think everyone will get confusion. No worries. I'll make it out that. Okay. Go to the copy this one. Go to the git bash. Paste it here. Paste it here.
Hmm.
I think he has to click on the box,
Paste,
right?
paste. Yeah.
Paste.
You should. Yeah. You should do it like that. And again, the last one also there is a one space issue. Last one. Come to the last. Yeah.
Instead, he could click on the box for copy to clipboard, right?
Yeah. Enter.
Complete.
Yeah. Enter. Enter. Now, see now, whenever we create a repository in the command line, by default, branch is master branch. I will tell you that what is the branches, what is this, everything. Okay. Now you do one thing. You should rename that branch. How to rename? Git branch space hyphen capital M
Branch.
branch space hyphen capital M
Hmm.
space main
Yeah.
main main branch. No, small letter.
Hmm.
Enter. Now what we should do? We should push this code to there. Okay. What is the file here? We do have only one file, vijay.py. Now,
VJWP.
yeah, git push space hyphen u space origin main origin main main. Enter.
Pavan, what is this capital M?
Capital M is nothing but modify.
Okay. And hyphen U
U
is
is
for
nothing but
update,
upstream, like user upstream.
upstream. Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Once
This
again, it is
this
asking
is
that
what.
authentication. Sign in with your browser. You can give your email address and can there. You guys need to ask that question after this completely. Why it is a red color? After that, why it became a green color? And again, why we need to do the commit, everything. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. So scroll down. Authorize ecosystem. Yeah, it is taking some time. No worries. No worries.
Is it real time as well? Like
Yeah, we can push like this only, real time. Close this.
Mm-hmm.
Close this.
Yeah.
And again, go to your GitHub repository now. Again.
it has the loopback IP, right? 127.0.
Yeah, it went. See, it went the code. Now you can just refresh the code. See, now the file will be available here. See,
Yes.
this is a one thing. Okay. This is a one thing. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now, open your notepad. So now everyone will get like a lot of confusions. Vijay, Chandra, Firdos, Govind, Nikhil, Ramesh, Vijay, Vishnu.
Yes.
Till now, any confusions? I think more confusions up to here.
More confusion.
Okay. Now we'll make it out to understand. Okay. Now, everyone please listen here. Why red color? Why green color? Why commit? To understand that, that is a very important point in Git. So, very important point in Git is nothing but Git stages. They will ask in interview, explain Git stages, right? And again, what are the 3 stages of a Git? First one is working directory. Second one is indexing area. Third one is committing area. First one is working directory. Second one is indexing area. Indexing area. Third one is committing area. These are the 3 stages of a Git. In working, it is a red color. In indexing, it is a green color. In commit, it is a committing. means committing the local repository.
Pavan, I have a question here.
Yes, please. Yeah,
The working directory is a person's local laptop, right?
exactly. Either local
And
laptop, either it is a local IDE tools. Yeah,
can it be a network share or it could be some path in the OneDrive?
that is also
Possible?
password. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So now one of the very most important point here in this case. Now, before understanding these three stages, everyone please listen here. This is very important point. Now, Vijay has opened one file. It's a notepad. He's written some content. This is called writing the some content is called as a working directory. Simple. Vijay has been opened the one of the notepad. Earlier it was an empty notepad. Now he's written the some content 6 lines. This is called as a working directory. Now to understand indexing area, what Vijay need to do? He need to save this file, right? There is an option called as a save and again save as. Go to the file. Go to the file. Save. See there is an option save and again save as. Save is called as the indexing area. Save as is called as a committing area. Some of them, or else like many of them, they will ask that, can you please explain Git stages in simple format? They will ask. We should tell that. So we will have a one of the notepad. Whatever the content we will be writing, that content is called as a working directory. And in the second content, if I need to save, then again that is called as the indexing area. If I want to go to the save as, that's a committing area. That's a simple area. Clear, right? Any confusions now? This is a notepad lifecycle. This is a notepad, one of the file life cycle. Any confusions now? Now, this is a notepad life cycle.
Yeah.
Perfect. So perfect now. We'll do one more thing. So now, so what are the three stages of a Git? Working directory. Working directory is also called as a working space. Indexing area is also called as a modified area, right? You can write it out one more. Working directory is also called as a working space, or else is also called as an unmodified area, or else modified area, something. Okay. Next one is indexing area is also called as a modified area. Committing area is also called as a local repository.
So my question is, committing area is if working area is called, which is files available in our local disk, and committing area is like my
Local
understanding.
repository.
No, it is also local repository. Okay.
Yeah, local repository. Fine. So till now, is it clear, everyone? Any confusions? Right. Now, you can write it down one more point. What is the Git lifecycle? Git lifecycle is Git lifecycle is Git pull, Git push, Git commit, Git pull, Git commit, Git push, Git fetch.
Yeah.
అమ్మా ఉందా అది రాస్తుందా రాస్తుంది
Hello.
Is it clear, right? Vijay Kumar, everyone. Is it audible now? Hello.
Yes, yes.
All right. See, VJ, so git bisect, git blame, git show, everything that is a more advanced one, we can learn that is also. Git bisect, it's very important commands. We'll learn later, okay? So why we use git bisect? To find any specific bug in the latest commit, okay? All right, so are we clear up to here? Any confusion still now? What we did, we downloaded Git and again we installed, and again after that we created a GitHub account. Then again we created the two organizations. Then again we understood what is exactly Git stages, how to create a file in the local repository, and again how to push there. Clear, right? Anyone, any confusions?
Hmm.
Okay, do one thing, one small exercise we can do. Minimize this one. Minimize this notepad. So now I want to create a one folder here and again one file here, okay? Do one thing. Go to add file there, create a add file. So is there any possible, so that like who is working here in the GitHub repository, is it possible to create a folder here? Anyone? I think Chandra Sundar, Kiran, Govind, Vishnu Gupta, Ramesh, Firdos, Vijay, Leela Krishna.
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll create a one folder here, okay? Do one thing. What we can give? Vijay. Vijay, Vijay only. You can put slash. No, slash. Forward slash.
That's okay.
Fine. See, there is a folder is created, okay? Then again, you can create one file here.
Hello, I'm missing anything?
No, sample.py you can write.
I need to commit changes.
Yeah. Commit changes. You can do the simply any descriptions you can commit.
Yeah.
Fine, like this. Now you can go to the command line. You can go to the command line.
Yes.
So now you created a, now you do ls. First you can clear the screen. Clear the screen. Now you do, see there is only one file, right? Now if you do the git pull, so whatever the changes has been happened in the repository, how can you can download git pull? Enter. Now you can download.
Yeah.
So now see this is what it happened, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Perfect, right?
Yep.
All right. So now again minimize this window, terminal. Okay. So some of them are asking one question here. Let me take it out this question. Okay. So VJ, so git lens is nothing but, right? Why we use this git lens? We use for especially for the any editors extension, right? Suppose if I take the editor VS Code, in the VS Code, we will be installing this git lens. Why? By using this git lens, what is the use cases for us? There is a command called as a git blame. Clear, right? There is a command called as a git blame. Are we are audible, right? Is it audible, everyone? Okay.
Yeah.
There is a command called as a git blame, git log, and again git difference, right? It is a without git lens, it is a hard to track line by line code who changes in a specific file. But with the help of this git lens is also called as a X-ray vision generally, okay? In this case, we can use this extension, this tool in the VS Code, and again we can run the git blame to understand that, like, who changed the last file. I mean the last line of the file. Everything we can track that one. Is it clear, right, Vijay? Vijay?
Yes. Yes.
I think Vijay, fine. Yeah. Anyway. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Till now, any confusions, any comments? What we understood? Okay. Finally, please open the Google Chrome one more time.
Yeah.
Okay. Google Chrome. Make it out DVCS and again CVCS.
Sorry.
DVCS. DVCS. Space. Yes, exactly. Images. You can take down one. Exactly. See? So please understand, everyone. What is the difference between DVCS and again CVCS? Git is called as a DVCS. Azure Repo is called as a DVCS. AWS Code Commit is called as a DVCS. Bitbucket is called as a DVCS. GitLab is called as a DVCS. Then again, SVN, Perforce, ClearCase, those are called as a CVCS. Clear, right? So now in this case, what exactly we need to do? What is this distributed version control system? Distributed version control system is a centralized repository, right? So suppose now Vijay is a developer. Vijay is also a developer. Govind is also a developer, right? All the three developers, they will be pushing the code into the centralized repository. Tomorrow, Leela is a one more new developer. She joined, and again now the server is went down. Now what she need to do? She no need to wait for until and the server comes up. So she can pull the code from either VJ, either Vijay, either Kiran. So this is called as a distributed version control system. There is no any dependencies. But centralized version control system CVCS, that is an older format. If the server goes down, we need to wait until unless server comes up to download the folders. Is it clear, right, everyone?
Yeah.
So there are two types of version control system. This is very important in the interview questions. Can you please tell me that how many types of version control system we do have? First one, distributed version control system, and again the second one is centralized version control system. What is your answer? Both are centralized version control system, but the main difference is in the distributed version control system, even if the server goes down also, we can pull the code from other developers. But in the centralized repository, we cannot able to pull the code from other repositories. We need to wait for until unless server comes up. So that's why in many software industry, in early in 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, till now many more companies are migrating from SVN, Subversion, ClearCase, Perforce. From this source code management tool, they are migrating to the GitHub or else Bitbucket. Is it clear, right? Any confusions, any points here?
Mm.
Jira to Bitbucket, no. Jira to GitHub. GitHub projects, yes. GitLab, if we have a time, we can do that. GitLab issues, that's boards. Azure boards, if we have a Git Azure account, we can do that also, no worries. And again, GitHub Actions 200%. And again, GitLab CI/CD. If we have a time permit, we can do GitLab CI/CD also. But in this class, we are going to do GitHub, Bitbucket, and again GitLab also, right? If you guys are having a Azure Cloud account, if we have a time permit, we can do that Azure CI/CD with one repository deployments. Clear, right, everyone?
Yeah.
Any confusions till now? Vijay, Kalaskar, Kiran, everyone? But asking questions, everything is perfect. But in my classes, everyone should be like proactive. And again, I will give the like lot of practical classes, right? So, see, in the real time scenario, in many companies, how to integrate Git from Jira, how to integrate Git from ServiceNow, how to integrate Git from any SharePoint, right? Because whenever the Jira ticket has been created, automatically it will be created in the issue in the GitHub. So that is a more advanced, but that is not required. But still, if you guys are more proactive and again advanced version to learn, I'm very happy to share my knowledge in that case. Is it clear, right, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. Please go to the repository now. Please go to the repository. Just close this. Okay, once again. Go to the GitHub Actions.
Sorry.
There is action. There is action here.
Yeah.
See, there is actions, right? This is what CI/CD pipelines we need to do, right? And you can please go to that, like one more. See, issues, pull request, projects, wiki, security, insights, settings. Everything we should understand. Click on settings. See, in these settings, branches, tags, rules, actions, models, webhooks, copilot, everything will be there. Okay. No worries. I'll show like tomorrow one of the demo for the practical classes for GitHub Actions and again more things. How we can authenticate. Right now we authenticated with GitHub username and password. Tomorrow how can we authenticate with personal access tokens? How to create a GitHub applications and again how to authenticate with SSH and again how to authenticate with GPG. That is what very important. Clear, right? Any confusions till now? Are we good to understand? Vijay, and again who are the recently joined, everyone.
Clear, Pavan.
Yep.
Is it fine, right? So
Yep.
yeah, is it good to close the demo session today? Tomorrow will be available, everyone. Else, do we have any questions?
Yeah, Pavan, thanks a lot for this demo session. So whatever is there on the portal, all the topics will be covered.
Yeah, sure. So do one thing, Vijay. Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay. So I'll share my syllabus also here. Stop. Okay. Thank you. Is it my screen is visible now, everyone?
Not yet.
Still not it?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Once again, I'll be resharing again one more time. Is it visible? My screen again?
Not yet, Pavan.
Okay, fine. I think now it should be right. See, this is a complete syllabus here. Okay. So my name is Pavan Parvati. It's okay. So GitHub Actions.
Sorry, I do not see it. Can you please? Yes, I can see it now. Thank you.
Okay. See, this is the end-to-end syllabus will be there. Week 1, introductions, everything. So this is not a weekend one. This is a complete demonstrations today and tomorrow. From the coming next weekend onwards, we are going to do it very practically, real-time scenarios. Okay. The end-to-end projects. Apart from this, I need Azure accounts from you, everyone. Azure cloud accounts and again AWS cloud accounts also. And again Bitbucket also we can create it. Okay. And again, this is advanced file operations, practice labs, weekend 1 deliverable, complete repository with proper commit history, get ignore, documented workflow, everything. Weekend 2, all this merging collaborations, everything. Working with branches, merging branches. This is what assignment 2. There is again merge conflict issues resolving, stashing, everything. Branching strategies, everything. GitHub essentials, remote collaborations, remote repositories, pushing to GitHub. We'll do it like in more advanced way, okay? Then again, GitHub features, force and again cloning, GitHub collaborations, everything. Alright. And again, how to host a website in GitHub. That also I'll show. How to host a website in GitHub. That is a very important point. So everyone, please listen here. How to host a website in GitHub. And again, how to buy a domain name www.vijay.com or else www.vijay.com. If we buy that domain name, how to integrate in GitHub with a custom domain name with SQL certificate with SSL. All these things we can do in the practically. Do you provide any notes or materials? Yes, 200% with the materials in the GitHub readme.md file only. I'll find it. I'll be providing, okay? Okay. It's a more advanced classes, everything. Okay. So fees, I think everyone knows this fees, right?
Yes, it is in the portal.
Yeah, it's in the portal. Please have a look. I think, yeah. So, and again, GitHub Actions, end-to-end CI/CD automations, and again, all these things, creating your first workflow, common workflow. And again, I will also show how to integrate from the Git to AWS, Git to Azure, how to write a small Terraform code to provision it, everything. Yeah. See all this authenticity. Tomorrow we'll do this one, okay? Repositories, features, everything. This is the complete projects. Duration of courses, this 5 weekend might be, if you want like more advanced, one more weekend also we can extend. 5 weekend is fine. Any confusions till now, everyone? But please concentrate. Everyone need to practice this GitHub Foundation certificates, and again after that GitHub Actions. Is it clear, right? Yes. I know you're on there, but need in-depth of knowledge session, please. Yeah, definitely, damn sure. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry about that. Okay. So are we are good to close the session, or else how still? I think tomorrow I'll show this how to install the VS Code and again how to download this folders, everything, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Any confusions till now? Today we have a basic information. Yes, because demo classes, right? Please register as earliest, so we can start the live classes also as earliest. Yeah, damn sure, Ramesh. This everything, recording sessions, notes, everything will be shared from Durga management team. I can support you in the real-time projects, how you need to handle this one. Yeah. Any confusions till now? Is it good to close the session today? Tomorrow will be available, everyone, right?
Yeah.
Vijay, Chandan, Firdos, Nikhil, Ramesh, Vishnu,
Yeah.
everyone, right?
Yes.
Yes, Pavan.
Yeah. So please join as earliest. And again, we can also have a good demo practical sessions tomorrow, end to end. I'll show the GitHub CI/CD, and again all the authentications, how to integrate with GPG case, SSH case, PAD tokens, and again GitHub CI/CD, and again how to host a website with custom domain. Clear? Anyone is having a custom domain name? Yes, anyone can reach out to me. This is my number 78. I'll be texting my number 78. Keyboard is not working. Okay, my number is 7892746634. You can reach out to me anytime, anywhere. Okay. I'm pinging my number 7892746634. Is it clear, right, everyone? Any confusions till now? Okay. So can we connect like tomorrow at the same time?
Yes, Pawan. Yeah. Thanks a lot
Yes,
for the
Pawan.
session.
Okay. So thank you. Thank you then again. Thank you, Govind, Vijay, Chandra, Fidos, Nikhil, Ramesh, Leela, everyone. Thank you, Nikhil. Okay.
Yeah,
If
thank you, sir.
anyone else- okay. Thank you. Great. So are we connecting tomorrow, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Sure. Thank you then. We'll connect tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye. Thank you. Bye.